Master, on. Fuel pump, on. Clear prop.
Cherokee 805 Alpha Mike, clear for takeoff, 19er, left full length runway heading.
It has always been a common dream amongst humans to soar through the skies, to reach for the once thought impossible. In our modern times, this dream has never been more attainable. This is possible due to industry legends leading the way for a new generation of aviators. Teresa and Kirby of Ortega Aviation Services are amongst these leaders. With over 6 decades of experience, OAS propels the industry forward. From initial to commercial training, multiple aircraft, a dozen flight instructors, classroom training, simulator training, and complex aircraft testing. You won't find a more well-rounded training anywhere else. OAS students train in some of the best equipped and well-maintained airplanes in the Midwest. Sporting 2 Cessna 172s, a Diamond DA-42, and a brand new Piper Pilot 100i, all with full glass cockpits. High or low wing, single engine or multi, OAS has it. And if all that wasn't enough, we are nationally known for our OAS Guardian program, designed for Citation and Caravan owners to have an advocate and liaison to Textron Aviation Service Centers and other maintenance shops to understand maintenance programs, review charges, and make the best decision for your aircraft. Whether you're set on fulfilling your dream to become a pilot or in need of a personalized customer service advocate for your aircraft, OAS is the home for you. We are Ortega Aviation Services. We are leading a new generation of flight.